let's get this cold start. You guys know the vibes, you gotta kind of put on the window a little bit. These new edges. I'll tell you guys right now, I cannot wait to move into my new place that actually has a garage. Oh man, I don't have to deal with this rain no more, these leaves, these feathers, the bird crap. Don't have to deal with that no more. But as you guys see here, finally got some first modifications for the new Edge. Now, I didn't go too crazy just yet. Need to kind of get some basic things done, basic things upgraded, because I want to make the kind of driving experience a little bit easier. As you guys can see here, we got a Hurst new shift ball, shift knob. The one I have on the car right now, this one's actually really bad. When it gets hot outside, this thing is like whatever it is outside times 10. So if it's like 90 degrees outside, this ball is like 100. So definitely need to get rid of that. I also got a new Shorty Antenna. I'm gonna go ahead and put on the car because the one that's on the car right now, you guys can see, it's like really long and it's weird. So this is definitely a good modification, good first modification. And then I have some black Mustang tape lettering, because the one that's currently on the car, I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. As you guys can see here, it's kind of like coming off. So we're gonna go ahead and add this to the car as well. I'm actually not going to install this today because the weather's been pretty bad here in Illinois. It's been raining like every single day, on and off. It's going to be raining later today. It's going to be raining all week. So when it actually gets dry, I'm going to go ahead and put that on so it actually stays, because that is an adhesive. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing, I'm picking up, is going to be the SCT4 tuner. I'm going to mount that right there so I can actually clear this check engine light, because we don't have any cats in the car, so that definitely has to be cleared. And also I kind of want to run a 93 octane tune, because this car currently, I believe it's actually not tuned at all. So I just run 93 because, you know, cars run better with the 93 octane, especially if it's a V8. So I need to actually get that tuned so it can actually make sense to run it. Actually, it's going to help the car out even more, especially with that throttle body, the header, the X pipe, all that good stuff. It's actually starting to rain a little bit now. It's raining a little bit now too, so we gotta go ahead, you know, get this video underway. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh man, as you guys can see here, it's raining, man. Like I'm telling you, it's been raining like this on and off for the past week. It's been horrible. Hate this kind of weather. Just want to get a little POV drive in for you guys as well. I'm obviously not going to be pushing the car because it's raining, and I'm actually on, you know, some summer style tires right now. I don't know how good these Federals are, whatever these are, in the rain, so I'm not even gonna bother trying to figure out how good they are. We're just gonna take it slow. I'm gonna pull up to a spot, and we're gonna go ahead and install some of these modifications, do the antenna, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the shift knob. Man, sucks that it's raining though, but you can still enjoy that V8. I gotta get some more behind the seat time in this car before I do anything major though. Like realistically, I really do, because I'm not 100% comfortable driving this car yet. Obviously, like, it's my first cable clutch car, so it's a little weird, but I definitely need to get more comfortable behind the wheel. I think that's very important when, like, oh man, when first I think that's very important when first modifying a car. I think it helps that I have 410 gears on here as well. Like, jumping into a car like the FRS and then jumping into this car is like such a huge, it's such a huge like step in the other direction. Not because of like how the car is, but I'm talking about just the whole driving experience. Everything is different. This car is fun to drive though, I'm not gonna lie. This car is incredibly fun to drive. Woo. That was close. Let's just pull up in this Walmart parking lot, why not? Again, I think I definitely need to do the headlights too. That's something else I'm doing next. There's the headlights and fixing Hey, bear with me, fellas. Stop and go traffic. There's no way I'm taking this car downtown yet. That'd be so bad for the clutch. Well, yeah, I'm driving this thing. All right, so let's go ahead and check out this Hurst shift knob. I mean, so far, I mean, this one doesn't feel bad. Go ahead and take this off. Doesn't feel bad. There was another option. It's like the same size. Yeah, they're both the same size. So far, it doesn't feel bad. They're both the same size. Actually, the Hurst one's a little bit bigger, actually. There was like another one on the website for like American Muscle for like 30 bucks. I actually went and got the Hurst one because I knew this one had the actual engraving. The other one was just like painted on. But so far, feels pretty good. This actually looks a lot better in the car too with the white knob instead. Tighten this all the way down. It even tightens all the way down. Oh, there it goes. Yep, it's tightening. How far can I? Okay, well, I don't want to strip it. Yeah, I don't want to strip this, but damn. I guess that's why. That kind of sucks. I mean, I don't have the nut. I need to get like one of those nuts to kind of keep it secured, but I mean, as far as just it being in the car, it's gonna be moving. Yeah, it's gonna be moving. I don't want to strip this, but as far as it being in the car, look at this. Just the overall shift feel. Yeah, this actually feels really good. I like this a lot. Yeah, just the overall feel. Yeah, it feels good. I like it. Let's go ahead and do this Shorty antenna. I did bring some tools to go ahead and get this installed because I feel like we're gonna have some trouble getting this on or getting it off. Let's go ahead and do this real quick. Oh yeah, here we go. It's coming off now. This thing was on tight. Let's go ahead and get this off. Holy cow, Jesus, look at the difference between this. It's not even funny how different this is. Look at this. You can probably put 2 of these on here. Yeah, that looks way better. Just gonna go hand tighten that. I'm not gonna use the other knob. We use this part. Oh, what am I kidding? We can't even do that. All right, well, that thing's hand tightened. All right, well, let's go for a POV drive and see how this shift knob is. Just shifting regularly, actually driving the car. Man, it kind of sucks I can't put on the tape, but it is what it is. Oh, wow. I really gotta get used to driving this car quicker. I don't want to cause any damage to the transmission or the clutch. Oh, this actually feels a lot better too. Jesus, this actually feels so much better. So much better than the other one. It's actually a lot bigger too. Oh my gosh, this actually feels so much better. Some days I can master the clutch of this car and the feel, some days I just can't, but overall, I really do like the shifter. Oh yeah. You can kind of see it move because I got to get that nut to keep this in place, but I'm so sorry, car. I approve. And that antenna, so much better. I'm just gonna tighten this down just as much as I can. I mean, look how funny this is. Like, the shift pattern's upside down where it's completely tight. Thing, just have the upside down shifter pattern just for the meme, just to get people upset. Just like how my my red shift knob on the FRS was out of place when I had that. Should I just leave it like this, guys, just upside down? I think that'd be kind of funny. That could be my thing, so people know it's my car if the shift ball is upside down. did enjoy this video, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Just want to do like a little update on what I did to the car, some minor modifications that I recommend you guys going ahead and doing. Oh wait, it's still kind of moving a little bit. I don't want to strip this though. We kind of got it in place. But it's still kind of moving though. Oh well. Hope you guys did enjoy. It's been your boy Redline POV, now known as Ears POV, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.